Hi, this is my week 5 update for my CSI 492 Capstone project. This week we will be discussing initial application development, which we have started on the seller's side. It pretty much means that we've opened Android Studio and began developing the application. What we've done this week is just the initial screen that you'll see when you open the application from the seller's side. So you want to add a selection of firewood, an offering. So you'd click that button, and then you'd come to this screen. What this lets you do is you'll click the picture. It's an image button, as it says here, and that'll let you upload an image from your device. Two seconds and I will show you. What you do is right here, you allow the application to read external storage. So you're getting the picture from your device, and that's what that allows. And then you're going to enter in the name of the product, the description of the product, and then the price of the product, and hit Add Wood to Menu. What that's going to do is allow you to connect to your Firebase database. What we've done is we've inserted a storage reference and connected it to the Firebase database. We set it to null, and then on our onCreate method, we link it over to it, and then down here, we call it. And then we have a toast that lets you know that it's been added to the Firebase database. We've not gotten that far yet, but right now what we've done is made it so that we could add pictures to the application to send, to push to the Firebase database. Which is this. In the Firebase database, we had to set authentication to null. A Firebase will come stock with something that looks like this, which is not equal to, which requires you to log in some method or way or another. But we don't want that right now, so we've set it just to equal null, meaning no authentication is required. This is the week 5 project update. We did begin development operations in Android Studio. We began development on the seller side of the application, which is in our architecture, this part, and then it links, as I showed you, over to the Firebase database. Challenges that we ran into during this time period is not applicable. We did not, which of course eliminates the two next questions of how did we solve the issues and future challenges envisioned with those issues. Those are null as well because they didn't happen. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was informational.